All right, so now we are having our breakfast here at California Adventure at Fiddler, Fife, and Practical Cafe. But guess what? I did not know that this is a Starbucks cafe. The food, the drinks, everything is Starbucks. So I'm not sure why they even named it Fiddler and Fife. I guess it's the Starbucks part is the Practical Cafe, but it's so misleading. I'm so disappointed. I'm having Starbucks breakfast. I mean, I have that practically, well, not practically, but often in the Bay Area. And I didn't get away from it. I couldn't get away from it.
For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We just got out of the Tower of Terror. I'm sorry, the Guardians of the Galaxy ride. This was the old Tower of Terror, but this ride, even though it's the same premise, is much better. There's a lot of drops and very interesting hydraulics going on, like bounces. It's pretty good actually, even though it's pretty fast. Which is the Spider-Man shooting gallery. I have mixed emotions or mixed feelings about that ride. I really like the concept and the story. I even like shooting galleries, but the ride depends entirely on motion capture or motion sensor and sort of the whole 3D technology, which makes it very confusing for the player. At least it was for me. So it was hard to enjoy it because I didn't know what I was shooting at without holding something tangible. So I guess it's to each his own. So we're on the Bodine Bakery tour, which I don't think they offer in San Francisco.
It's about if you did not stretch, this is not a real battle. This is just for training purposes only. So stand tall and imagine yourself holding a spear made of vibranium. We will train together as one tribe.
having lunch here at Pim Kitchen. It is so cute. They have teeny tiny forks, and then they have this large pasta and a mini one. So cute.
Pasta.
And then little meatballs. Actually, he has the large meatball. For some reason, we ordered like vice versa or something. So this is his meatball.
Impossible.
And this is mine.
Das.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and finish it.
You don't look like recruits. I've got this. Intrusion alarm level 2. All units alerted. My turn.
Unexpected surprise. We got a show while we were having lunch. So now I am going to have dessert, which is the Pim Kitchen Atomic Pretzel, which is what is on that one? Apple bacon soft pretzel with cinnamon sugar, salted pretzel with apple bacon compote, cranberries, caramel sauce, cream cheese, and candied pepper bacon.
Not like that.
So let us try it. So this is one of their holiday snacks here at Disneyland. So this is how it looks like inside. It's actually, see, it's as big as my face as a whole. So let's try it. Right. It definitely tastes the cinnamon. The applesauce makes it for real. Yeah. Although, the applesauce has crushed cranberries in it.
Oh yeah.
Or sauteed cranberries in it. Very cinnamony. The pretzel itself is really soft. I love the pretzels here in Disneyland. You don't hurt your teeth. I love that. Although I really don't see the cream cheese or taste the cream cheese at all. It's being covered by all the other flavors. But otherwise, overall, this is really good. I was pretty excited to visit the Avengers campus here at California Adventure. I thought it was going to be like Galaxy's Edge, but it definitely is not. I feel like they can do a lot more with the space, make it more look like a movie set, just like Galaxy's Edge, because they have the real estate for it. It's just too bad that it's at a bare minimum.
बीच बीच जान कोई बीच बीच मुरली से
This is the first time that I have been in the Pier, Pixar Pier area ever since California Adventure opened. Oh my gosh, I thought that ride was going to be a calm, pleasant ride. It was not at all. It was unexpectedly fun and scary. I was like, oh, it's, you know, it's going to just roll and rotate along, but dang, there are cages that swings and there are cages also that doesn't swing. We didn't know that, but then again, it's not like I would have chosen a non-swinging one so I can experience the whole thing. But the, at the top, when it's almost swinging at a 180-degree angle, scary. That was an unexpected surprise, a pleasant surprise. I really like this ride right here. It looked really nondescript, but you guys gotta try it. We are now leaving California Adventure to go back to Disneyland for the fireworks event Take 2. Alright, back in Disneyland, and we're going to try to ride the OG Star Wars ride, Star Tours.
The screen is for me to look at, not you. So keep it moving and stop looking. That's right. And to those traveling with small children, good luck with that.
It is starting to rain now. We're wondering if the fireworks will go on. We are now at Blue Bayou restaurant, which is the restaurant that you would see or you will see when you ride the Pirates of the Caribbean ride or attraction. And for our starter, corn fritters. The fritters are pretty good. Crunchy on the outside, got a little heat to it, and creamy on the inside, or really fluffy on the inside. By the way, I'm now using my phone for the rest of the night just because my camera ran out of its 4 batteries because I forgot to charge last night. Alright, so our main entrees came already. Fish for Darwin, mushroom ragu for me. This restaurant is a Cajun Creole restaurant, but we ordered none of that kind. Alright, so we are now camping out for the fireworks show tonight. We got really good front row-ish, or let's just say the floor seats. So we should be able to see the fireworks much better compared to last night. That's our hope anyway. So now we are sitting on the floor. Floor. Good thing we bought these rain jackets because it was raining earlier so that we can sit on them and protect our clothes from the wet ground. Look at that. These are like Disney stamped. What is that? Rain ponchos. So we're waiting for the freaking fireworks. And behind me is the VIP area, which is a packaged deal that you have to purchase. Not sure how. It is almost time. Look at the crowd. This is the VIP seats, and the cheap seats. Crowded. Hello everyone! So it's now the next day, 8 o'clock p.m. here in San Francisco, back at home. I had a lot of fun on this trip, even with a few hiccups along the way, like my tripod getting confiscated, even though I ran into 1 or 2 people with the same type of tripod. What do you got to say about that, Disney? Not cool. I miss this little guy. And the Genie Plus. Not so helpful. I hope that you enjoyed this Disney vlog series. So stay tuned for more adventures. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button below to get notified of new videos. So from my mind side to yours, more to come. Thanks for watching and have a happy Christmas.